Hey guys, Kris here. Welcome to winter in Alaska. It is -2 degrees right now. So this cutting board is from a previous cutting board video that I will link down below in the description. And this cutting board video is me making a big batch of 30 cutting boards at one time. They were for Christmas presents and they sold out really quick, so all I have is a cutting board from my previous video. Now, up and coming video is building 3 chaos butcher blocks, and I will link that one down below when I have that video ready to go. This video is going to be a little bit of tips and tricks, more of an entry-level how-to in doing it in a really small garage with limited tools. This video is not for somebody who has a huge shop and a bunch of great tools and already knows what they're doing for the most part, unless you guys just enjoy watching cutting board videos. Smash that like button, comment down below if you have some feedback or some questions. I'll do what I can to get back to you. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Hey guys, we're doing another batch of cutting boards. Somehow I got suckered into building 15 cutting boards for a lady that we just built this entertainment system for. And here is my tiny garage. So this is me trying to build 15 cutting boards out of a little space. Got some new tools because we don't have shop set up and all the tools are on a different job. So just got a DeWalt table saw. I've had this chop saw for a while. Just got this new 13-inch planer. Runs really sweet with the Dust Deputy. That thing works really well. Got a throat plate insert. This thing is made out of something that's real similar to that Trex decking. Should work really well. We normally make them out of MDF, but they don't last too long. I got about $450 worth of wood. Yesterday got them all planed down, and it's really rare for late November, but it was 45 degrees yesterday, so I did it outside in the driveway. Some leftover material from a job, all like-sized pieces. Planed them down all yesterday. Well, tiny garage, building a stack of cutting boards. Picked up this on Amazon. It's like 120 bucks. Works really good so far for fine dust. All right, well, here we go. Got all my strips cut, small and big. Ready for the first session of glue ups here. See if I can glue some. These are 60 inches long, and by the time I cut off the snipe at the end of the boards, hopefully I can get 3, 16 to 18 inch boards out of each set that I do that at this length. So now's time to clean up and start gluing. So I like to mark the top of the board to make sure I'm lined up once I flip and glue, and also making sure that the grain directions are not going the same direction. Well, I ended up with 3 runs of boards there, 3 boards per run, so 9 boards, and I was hoping to be in the 12 to 15 range with the material that I had, but I ran out of maple and cherry and even a little bit of walnut to make this work. I don't normally like putting Padauk and Purple Heart together. And this one, luckily I saw that before it, right when I was in the middle of the glue up, I was able to pull that out and put another piece in. So, going to pick up some more wood tomorrow. Well, I got the first session of boards glued up, and I got 9 boards out of the deal, and I need to plane them next, but I went and picked up some more wood. I think I get a little overzealous with cutting all the strips, and I got a bunch of extra strips, which costs a lot of material to cut each one. All right, round 2. It's cold. It's about 25 degrees. Got all my strips cut, and we'll be on to the next session of gluing boards. All right, well, we got the last combinations put together. It's gonna be hard to see. I'll show you individually here in a minute. We got our little helper, Alicia. Got some long grain, face grain boards. Not super excited about those, but that's what the lady wanted. And got a little fade here. Don't worry, that'll be planed and cleaned, sanitized. All right, well, Ferg, we done? Yeah. Yep. So, last night I got the rest of these glued up, ready to plane and cut to shape, cut to size, and I wanted to do some planing outside, but it's back to being Alaska outside. stick to my little garage. This wind filter, I don't know, it was $100, $120, somewhere around there on Amazon. Has done a great job of cleaning the air in here. Hey guys, here's where I ended up. 30 boards, and these are basically taking the easiest pieces out of the material that I got. You see I got some leftovers that are not leg sizes. I cut everything to 60-inch and was able to get 3 boards out of the 60-inch strips, and that was the most efficient way for me to make as many boards as possible. Made this quick little jig for this cheap little DeWalt table here. I don't have the Festool MFT table that we normally have at the shop, so just quick little jig, some cheap foam mats that I pretty much use for everything. These just sit in there like so. Do this way, like so. They're newer, nice and clean. They're like $25 at Costco for a 6-pack, 7-pack, something like that. Anyway, sanding the end grain and the edge grain can be a pain in the butt. Well, we are finally done sanding. So there's 30 boards. Getting ready to put heat stamp on. It's first time I've done it. It's from Heat Stamp, I think is what it's actually called. And do a couple of practice ones. Got it sitting on the anvil there. Got a torch. And I'll be stamping the it's not really a backside because there's no feet or handles, but I'll be stamping the not as friendly side. Like if this is a knot, you know, I'll stamp on that side. The good old Howard butcher block conditioner, food grade mineral oil and natural waxes. Buy it in a 1 gallon container on Amazon for like 53 bucks. It works out to be somewhere around, I don't know, 70 cents a board. At least that's what it was last time. Alright, so I did one heated dip for all of them. Really didn't take too long. A little bit of a pain in the butt. This is the second time doing a big run of boards, and I don't have a complete system down. And obviously in this area I can't store a big dip tank, or I can't just buy a couple of gallons of this and keep it in here, of the Howard's Butcher Block conditioner, and have a heated pan even, or something that would work really well. But what I'm going to do for these is just a heated wipe down for tonight. It's 9 o'clock, so it's getting late. All I'm going to do is a heated wipe down, and then in the morning I'll do a heated wipe down, and then I'll dry them after a couple hours and just give them one more wipe down and they're done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the cutting board video, and feel free to copy any of the designs if you like, and please subscribe for more. And coming up next, chaotic end grain butcher blocks how-to video. I call it wood camo, but have a good one.